no cigarette smoking, nothing. Any child or anybody can come and enjoy. This is the concept. Very important to understand. Giving. This is very important. I appreciate Marius. Thank you for this concept. This is very important. We pass on to our children. Thank you.
You're next.
Okay.
आज आमी गोंयचो फेस्ताकार मारियस हाजे आनी एक फेस्ता खातीर हांगा जमिल्ले आसा. मारियसाची फेस्तां ही गिवींग. आमी चडशे लोक टेकींग जाणा आसता, बट गिवींग व्हेरी फ्यू पीपल नो. ही फेस्तां ऑफ गिवींग. आनी आज हे फेस्त चड इम्पॉर्टंट मोगाचें फेस्त. मोग मिन्स लव, स्प्रेडींग लव. सो हे फेस्त आज जाता ऑन 23rd मे आनी फाल्यां 24th मे इज आमचे फेस्ताकाराचो बर्थडे. फ्रॉम लास्ट इयर वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दीस डे, that is 24th May as फेस्ताकार डे. आज तो आमी 23rd पयले दिसा करतात. तर हो गोंयचो फेस्ताकार मारियस जो आसा, आज ताजे जवळ जवळ 110th फेस्टिवल इन लास्ट 25 वर्सां. आनी ही फेस्तां म्हळ्यार कितें? हे सिलेब्रेशन ऑफ गोवास आर्ट, कल्चर, म्युजीक, गोवास एज ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन, गोवास फूड्स, डायवर्स फूड्स ऑफ गोवा. गांवांनी वचून तो गांव सिलेक्ट करता, लोक सिलेक्ट करता आनी ही इन्क्लुजीव फेस्तां करता. थंय सगळे लोक आसा, थंय बायलो आसा, थंय मार्जिनलायज कम्युनिटींतल्यो बायलो आसा, थंय डिसेबिलिटीचे लोक येतात आनी सगळे येवन ही फेस्तां सिलेब्रेट करतात. मारियस थंय ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिता लोकांक, डिसेबिलिटीच्या लोकांक आपले स्कील दाखोवपाक. हांगा आमचो सातान रेबेलो आसा जो तालिगांवचो, तो रोतेसांव करता. अश्यो ज्यो गोश्टी आसात ते सिलेब्रेशन आज करतात आमी वता वता थंय. आनी हे लोकांक दाखयतात की लोक विथ डिसेबिलिटी, पीपल फ्रॉम मार्जिनलायज कम्युनिटी, पीपल फ्रॉम रुरल एरियाज, बायलो, भुरगीं, हांचे कडेन स्किल्स आसतात, हांचे कडेन म्युजीक आसता, हे सगळे लिपून उरता. तांकां ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी तो हे फेस्तांनी दिता. आनी ही फेस्तां गोंयची वेगवेगळ्यो फेसेट्स दाखयतात लोकांक. आतांच आमकां बाब मिंगेल ब्रागांदान सगळें सांगिल्लें आसा की कशी ही फेस्तां ओवर द इयर गोंयभर स्प्रेड जाल्या. आनी तें गोंयचो फेस्तकार मारियस आनी क्लब फेस्तकार म्हणून आतां हे ऑर्गनायजेशन कशें केलां. आनी तातूंत आमी लोक फेस्ताक जे पार्टिसिपेट जातात ते ताजे बरोबर हें काम फुडें व्हरपाक सोदतात. सो दॅट गोंयचें आर्ट, कल्चर, लिटरेचर, म्युजीक, फूड्स ही शेणू जायना. नवे जनरेशना मुखार आमी ती परत परत दाखोवं जाय सो दॅट ती फुडें वचपाक जाय आनी आमचें गोंयकारपण विसरून वचूंक जायना आनी हे करपा खातीर जे मारियेसान ही फाटलीं 25 वर्सां काम केलां ताजें आमी आज हांगा अपुर्बायेन कौतुक करता. देव बरें करूं. हांव आतां एक रिक्वेस्ट आतां आमचो प्रागांजा बाब आनी एक हायलायट करतलो जो फेस्तांत विशय फुडें गेला तो म्हणजे आमचे घुमटाचो. हे जे घुमट आसा तें कशें फुडें व्हेलें मारियेसाच्या फेस्तान तांणी कशे प्रयत्न केले आनी आज ते गोंयचे घुमट हे स्टेट इन्स्ट्रुमेंट म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेंट कशें जालें हाजें तो सांगतलो.
What is now the state folk musical instrument of Goa. This instrument signifies the good earth in which we live, Amchi Tamdi Mati, and it was always made along with the skin of the gar, the Bengal monitor lizard, Varanus bengalensis. But in 1972, this particular reptile was declared as endangered species, and killing of this reptile or use of its hide was prohibited by law. Internationally, it could not be used anywhere. Only few musical instruments which were already made had to be registered with the government and they could be used. So this instrument was going to die. Then came the idea of making it with some other hide, whether it could remain. But there were different views. When goat skin was used, they found that the she-goat skin was more closer to the sound acoustics that were there of the gar than that of a he-goat. And so a lot of research was done on this by musicians, and Maurice's son Ashley did his dissertation for his research on this particular aspect, how much the sound could be made as close as possible to that of the gar. And now it has been accepted by the government, and the gumot with the goat skin is officially used even for the Gumot Arti competition, and it is notified in the official gazette of Goa in December 2019 as the state folk musical instrument. So that stipulation is put that it should be without the skin of the Bengal monitor lizard. So using of the goat skin is an option which has become popular now, and the popularizing of this option was through many fests. At every fest, especially the Gumtache fest, and also for the Bondera, for the Shigmo, for the Carnival, everywhere this Gumot was promoted. And we had musicians like Olav, Carlos Gonçalves, then Madeira, Feli Gomes, Savio Ribeiro, everybody using the Gumot with the goat skin to popularize it. And then we had Nirmal Kulkarni, who was doing a research project on community acceptance of alternate hides to endangered species, who presented a very nice seminar on how this goat skin can be used with many musicians from the Kala Academy, from the Art and Culture Department, who discussed and said that today if you play a gumot with a she-goat skin in one room and ask the person in the other room to identify whether it was she-goat skin or gar skin, using a professional gumot player, the other person would not be able to distinguish. That close it is to the sound, and it is something that has revived the heritage of gumot that is so dear to us. Whether you are a Catholic or a Hindu, whether you are in a mando or in a gumot arti, this instrument is used, and it's very popular. We cannot have these events, these festivals without the gumot, and the gumot is going to live now forever. Thank you.
Thank you. सर सर आयज मोगाचें फेस्त हांगासर जाता आनी तुमी हांगासर आहा तुमकां कितें सांगचें दिसता
This festival we are organizing now, this is the 108th festival of the Club Festacal, which has been organizing, and he has always organized the inclusive fest to promote Goa's tradition and culture, where he has been associated now with our association right from 2019, where opportunities are being given to persons with disabilities, not only to put up the various programs, but also to participate by giving them an opportunity to market their products. So it's a nice thing also for persons with disabilities for the public also to know what is the talents and capabilities of persons with disabilities. And tomorrow is his birthday, so tomorrow is his birthday and we are celebrating the Mauritius Festacal Day. We take this opportunity to wish him also a very happy birthday and all the very best in life. May God bless him abundantly for all the work that he has been doing for the promotion of Goa's tradition and culture.
साहेबा आयज हांगासर मोगाचें फेस्त चालू आहा आनी सद्याक तुमी हांगासर आहा आनी तुमी विणटा सद्याक कितें सांगचें दिसता तुमकां ते तुमी काम करता
म्हणजे
हे
हे काय इंग्लिशीन चेन चेन कोंकणी भाशेन तेसो हय त्यात जाल्यार आतां आदले भाशे पदेर नाय आतां कोणा हाचे करून घेताय आदी चड हाडली हिंगा थिंगा आपयताले घरांनी डिपार्टमेंटान हय ते काँग्रेस आसतना ते भरपूर काम आसलें डिपार्टमेंटानूय काम आसलें हय सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाक तेन्ना चलतालो आतां कितें जालें म्हाका सांगात हय आतां ते कोण कितें ते फोन घेताय हय हे प्रॉब्लेम जाता दिसांनी कसो चेंज जायत वयता हय
तुमकां कितकी वर्सां जालीं तुमी हें काम करीत
आतां
दिता
वर्सां म्हळ्यार म्हाका कितें जालां हांव पयलीं आदी चलतालो म्हाका ऑपरेशन केलां म्हणून हांव गरीब आसतना ती मला कळ्ळें जातलें गेलें पूण काय मागीर 1981 हांव बोडगान गेलो ओल्ड गोवा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर साहेबाचे पळय
Check. So next program is a small workshop that we are doing on peeling the ponos the right way. Okay, so to peel the ponos, obviously you need a few things like you need a knife. Okay. You need coconut oil.
तुमचें नांव सांगचें म्हाका
Which has to be applied to your hand as well as the knife. Okay, so that the
Thank you.
teeth, that is the gum, doesn't stick to the knife as well as your hands.
Let us see.
Okay, so once it is cut open, you also need some kato. Normally, traditionally, we use kato, which is the husk of the coconut shell. But here, what we are going to do is go the modern route, use some tissue paper. Okay, so that's a good substitute. So especially people living in the flats and stuff like that could obviously use things like tissue paper as an alternative. But there's nothing like the goan kato. Okay, which is the peel of the coconut shell. The coir, basically, the coir between the shell and the outside cover. Now people are trying to figure out whether it's a kapo or a rosard. Kapo. So kapo is normally, I think, in the north, but people from the south like me call it a borkoi. Okay, at least people from Salsep call it a borkoi. Okay, so when I came first to the north, I visited my Tidin over here. She started saying kapo. I wondered what it was. Kepe, Salset, Kankon, all down in the south, it's called borkoi. So people coming to the north sometimes wonder, what do you mean by kapo? Okay, you normally need to lay a lot of newspaper. Okay, I remember when I was young, I used to try and cut the ponos directly on the floor. and then get yelled at by my mom. So it's always kind of a good idea to lay newspaper down so the cleanup is easy.
Give me the mic. You need to do something. Yes. Hello, hello, hello. Now you see, if you are going, you're not going to be able to cut this photo. If you are from Scotland, it cannot happen. They watch it from far away. So we brought her a nice thing over there. Saira. And do you know Ruxana. We brought them from where? Guess where they've come from?
Diva.
Diva? Oh my God. So they come from a place called Yellapur. Yellapur. But Yellapur is not just any place.
Konkani.
Yes. They have saved Konkani in Karnataka. They are originally from Goa, but 500 years ago, for many other reasons, they went and lived in the hills of Karnataka and they still speak Konkani. 500 years later, and they still know how to count the photos. Yeah. So this actually is not right, but anyway. So anyway, so there's a skill to all this. So they tell me in Karnataka, we have this. These are called what? Correct. Almost speak of heart. Anyway, so you have Goro, and then what is this here? Bikana. So in the very old days in Goa, but before the fridge came, how did they conserve this?
No, mati.
So you all know, with the end, white end? Roni, yeah. So in May, our ancestors used to collect them and near the fireplace used to build like a fridge. And they used to put this inside. And it got conserved for 3, 4, 5, 6 months. And whenever they needed, they just broke a piece, got 10 out of this and put in the curry. So that was a fridge, and this was how they used the purumen. Basically one of the oldest purumens of Goa, where the jackfruit, bikna, it's called bikna,